back to my YouTube channel. So, if you don't know what my channel's name is called, and it's your first time watching my video, my channel is called Artist Arya. So today, I'm going to introduce my dad, and we're going to be making the Hexagon Bird Cage. So, let's get started.
All right, thank you, Arya. You want to introduce your birds?
So, yes, but before we do that, the one inside that little coop, not really a chicken coop, but that one is Candy Cane, that's a girl, and the one outside that has the yellow head, that one is Lollipop.
All right, so we're gonna have a hexagonal bird cage. We bought it from overstock.com, and the company name is PawHut and hexagonal bird cage.
Yeah.
So this is what we have worked on so far. It doesn't come with a platform, so but we needed wheels so that we can move it around. So I had to make a hexagonal platform for it, and then it's still curing with the joint and everything. So we're gonna keep the tape and everything as it is. So this is the instruction that we got with this bird cage, and it's not really very helpful. This part was easy to assemble. The roof is the toughest part, and there's no instruction on company's website. There's no other YouTube video, and then Arya gave me the idea to make our own video, so that if other people they end up buying this, which is a good one, I'm not saying it's a bad one. It's a good design for, I would say, interior only. It's a little bit flimsy, so it says indoor outdoor both, but I would keep it inside. And if someone ends up buying it and has trouble figuring out how to install the roof, then maybe this will be helpful. Now they have this 6 parts, and they have 6 of this as well, and tiny little stuff, and that's all we have in terms of instruction, which is not really helpful. But after trying to search information online from YouTube channel, if other users put it on, or the website the company website might have it on there, nothing is on the internet. So finally what I figured out, that if we take one of this part, this one goes on the inner circle area, and we have to align these 6 parts like this, and then screw them 1, 2, and 3 together, and put it upside down. Start from 1, do it one end, put the other one, put another one. This is a little bit flimsy, so you don't want to put more pressure on it. I used my electronic drill or screwdriver. You can use it by hand as well. I found it a little bit difficult, so I'll show you this. This is how it looks from the right angle. I'm sorry. And this is what I did. If I turn it around, now you can get an idea. And if you want to install the other one as well, what you can do, you want to help?
So you can see this is how it's supposed to be. I'm showing you together since it ended up falling last time, I know.
Okay, so that's where we ended our last video, that we dropped the panel in the middle of showing the instruction. So now we are back showing you the same thing. So we have that triangle part. I have screwed down one panel right there, and Arya's gonna show you how to do it for the other one. So if I can hold it this way, Arya, show them this part, how it goes. Take it out and put it back.
Thing, it should be lining up like
Mhm.
that. Yes.
Right.
So it should be like lining up. It couldn't be like this. It needs to be like this.
Good job. And then hold this from here. We gotta do 1, 2, and 3 screw aligned, and then get that panel right here to make one more and the last one, and we should have the entire roof done. And then we put this tiny part at the end of the edges to hold it again. It's this frame that we have here. All right, so let's do it. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Okay. I'm gonna do this one first. So this is how. This goes right here in. Just a tiny bit. Get the grip here. This is way off. This is good. Too tight. Okay. Now we'll do that. Let's put this part here. So what we gonna do?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 3. So today, my dad is gonna show you
How to finish the roof work.
how to finish the
Okay.
roof work.
So on the last part, we showed how to attach these panels with these individual panels that goes on the outer side of the roof. Now, Arya, you want to show them the whole roof from there?
Yeah. So this
Right?
is
So
gonna
it
be
looks
the
like
whole
it's
roof.
not gonna fit when we try and put the last part. What we have to do now, that we have to lift this and make it fit together here. And looks good, Arya?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Alrighty. Is it coming straight? Does it look good?
Yep.
Alright. So that's how we place them all together. Otherwise you would think that it didn't fit together and then you're gonna have to unscrew the whole thing to make it somehow work. But it does look like when it's on the ground that it's flat and it's not in the right shape, but you're gonna have to lift it in order to make this nice roof shape. And then now I'm gonna just put some more screw in here to by the way, we are not an expert. This is our first time, and then we just found that there was no instruction given by the manufacturer, and nothing on their website. No one has ever put any video on YouTube. So Arya gave me this awesome idea of putting this little video on YouTube, so that if someone else buys it, at least they will have some help. I'm gonna put one more on this side here so that it holds properly, and then I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4. Got more work to do, but this should give you the idea how's the roof gonna be on the cage. Two more, and then this phase is done. May have to change my position in order to get them right, but this will hold it for now. So this is our roof. I'm gonna lift it and show you with Arya's mom's help, and we will try and put it on the cage right there.
Yes.
You ready to lift?
Yes, I will again.
We're gonna just try and put it over there. Or you wanna put all those first? Alright, let's tilt it upside down so we can show how does it look from here. There it is. And this one sits on the top like this. You know how to check that? Okay. And just we put the screen there. Okay? All done.